Welcome to today's tutorial on how to use 8ready.com's prompt engine. In this video, we'll take you through the steps of accessing the website and generating prompts for your writing or creative projects. Firstly, let's start with accessing the website. Using Chrome browser, click on the address bar and type in the URL of the website, 8ready.com. Once the website has loaded, you'll see the main page. From here, click the banner or scroll down to the Prompt Engine section to access the AIPRM Prompts tool. Question: do you have AIPRM extension installed? If not, no worries. Navigate here to download. Now let's move on to creating some content. To start, select the prompt you're interested in from the grid. After selecting your preferred tile, click on it and 8ready.com will redirect you to ChatGPT. Let's give it a try. Type in "Educate me on GPT-3." As you can see, the output is creative, inspiring various types of writing and creative projects. Whether you're a writer, poet, artist, or simply looking for inspiration for your next project, 8ready.com's prompt engine is the perfect tool for generating fresh ideas and overcoming writer's block. So, there you have it, folks. That's how you access and use 8ready.com's prompt engine. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials and tips.